XELA Technologies, Inc., XELA, is offering 100 million new notes to holders of its common stock in exchange for the shares. The new notes are expected to be freely tradable and will mature in March of 2029. The offer is being made pursuant to the terms of the offer and is subject to certain conditions. If shareholders validly tender on or prior to 11:59 p.m. New York City time, on February 24, 2022, they will receive a new note with a principal amount equal to $25. XELA is targeting a number of shareholders who will tender their shares in the offer that would require the company to issue in excess of $100 million aggregate principal amount of new notes. If the common stock tendered in the exchange is restricted, the new notes will be restricted to the same degree. The offer is being made pursuant to the terms and subject to the conditions set forth in the offer to exchange dated January 26, 2022, as may be amended or supplemented in accordance with the terms thereof.